Hi, I'm Barry Wenger.
And I'm Lori Wenger. Before we attended the McGrain course, we were in a marriage that was dying. We were living together, but doing our own separate things. But attending the course helped us to learn to...
Communication was one of the things that we were not doing, and we learned very well how to communicate and in-depth communication.
learn how to show our feelings and make our marriage a solid one, a good one, and a loving one.
Anyone out there, if you're feeling any of these problems, you're feeling something that's not right, do something about it. Don't sit back for years and years and years and just, oh, well, that's good enough, because it's not. There's things out there that can be done to make your life a better place between you and your wife. Marriage is supposed to be a dual arrangement. And if you're not working it together, you're not married. That's all there is to it. And one place to learn that is here at the McGrain Center. Go for it. Don't say, oh, well, it won't do any good for me. I have news for you. If it can change me, it can change anybody. If it can change us, it can change anybody. Go for it.
I just encourage any couple that would love to have a lasting, loving relationship to take this course. It is worth it. And we know it.